Hello and welcome to the 3DI. Finally, cloud monitoring does not mean a delay in video playback. Forget about delays caused by server-side video processing, and utilize the full potential of the high-speed internet connection. See events when they are unfolding, instead of seconds, or even minutes after. When your internet connection is not fast enough for a smooth real-time feed, use DVR mode to force your browser to show server-side processed video for a much smoother experience. To check in what mode your video is playing, click on the camera name. DVR means post-processed video, will have delay. WebRTC mode means you are viewing true, real-time footage. Click more to review advanced details about the stream when troubleshooting is needed. We did not forget about archived footage. Now you can easily navigate and search through archives utilizing a whole range of search tools. You can do advanced search, look for a specific object, and even sort them by color. Look for a specific person. Also, you can do a search only in a small area of a frame. Review hours of footage with a quick glance on the screen. Even look for high traffic areas. "3DI, we bring you the future of video monitoring.